Good afternoon, everyone. I am here in this big farm. Watch this place. Wait. Good afternoon, everyone. I am here at Hagbasan in part of Negros Oriental. I don't know what's the kind of this place, but I know it's part of Negros Oriental. So I'm going to show you guys on how to remove the cassava. This is the branch of the cassava and the root, and I'm going to show you on how to get the crops inside of the ground. See you guys, help me. How to remove? You need to pull strength to get this kind of food. Here is it. So this is the cassava. Cassava? I think it's cassava. So this is the cassava. And there's a lot. Maybe I will look. Oh, it's another two. The soil is, and it's like a clay. Oh, sorry. I think this is the baby one. It's hard to be a farmer. Wait, there's a lot. Help me, guys. And there's another baby. So it's overall four cassava in two branches. If there's a lot, maybe there's another one. Oh, whew, it's a big. Oh, mashallah. And I guess this is the biggest root crop ever that I ever seen. This is a cassava. Remember, this is a Philippine cassava. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in 2 branches. There's 8 cassava. There's another one. Wait. I'm strong. Wow. It's like wood. You know, it's like a wood. I think it's old already. It's not young. It's only one. There's another one. Oh. So it's enough. So in 3 branches, we have a lot of cassava. We need to bring this and cook. Thank you for watching. I'm in a farm of one of the relatives, so I'm trying to be a farmer today. So I want to learn how to hold the cow, and like, I don't know how to call this one.
Bargas.
Bargas. So I'm using this bargas, and hey, like that. So, ato lang walay bato, no?
Ay, wala na bato na.
Na may bato, no, di ba ko kadaro? Ano?
Maiiway lang.
Ay, ihara ning gruyon? Sige, sige.
Ito dito. Dali na na.
Dayo, na, masauna ko.
Masikat pa ko.
Sige.
Ano?
Sige pala. Sige. Ay, ano yung mga lakat na ito?
Faster. Oh! Siapa? Okay na?
Sige. Sita lang. Bilapon.
Dahil lang. Baka nanibago siya.
Baguhan na siya.
Baguhan siya kay
Nagalan to. Di na, matid.
Hindi na lahira kaya po.
Ano ate?
Kanana, taro, birahe.
Bira.
Ah,
Wala ba? Ay, lab.
mutuyok na, mutuyok. Mutuyok.
Bukuyok to na na, oh.
Tuyok.
Di ka driver ka.
Ayun.
Si ato na ito puputo mo.
Sige na. Ush.
Kita na sa video.
Di ka po ilang baka ni mo. Di ka kabalo mo sinyas.
Bunanan eh siya.
Baguhan na. Baguhan yan.
Wika.
Sakto to kay.
Mama ka mo break.
May ipikat na. Mansak ko lang.
Wala na ka.
Hapit na daw na tay. And so,
the end. I'm scared. I don't know how to break the cow. Enough.